I want to keep an eye on this. AKTX is starting to move up, ladies and gentlemen. ATOS starting to move up. November Echo Oscar Sierra still holding Tango Echo Uniform Mike. All right, so that was a big name from yesterday. Wow, AKTX, ladies and gentlemen, got to keep an eye on that name. I know some of you might already be in. All right, I'm going to flip up AKTX right here, main chart. Lots of volatility. I'm targeting ATOS for a potential entry here. AKTX, a little risk off here. We want to see a little risk on. Big jump on both of these names. VFF starting to break out to the upside. Hexo's above 6. That's a great sign. I'd like to see these names start kicking up a little bit more. Sierra, Echo Lima, a little bit of buy volume coming in here. A lot of risk off more than risk on at this moment.